Hey Internet, this is the code for frequency check. It is the lab for introduction to microcontrollers. Note that the code has been uploaded to Turnitin, and the professor makes custom labs, midterms, and exams. It'll be similar but different. You can use this lab to figure out your own lab. Okay, so check the pinned comment and GitHub. I'm now just going to switch to read mode. We're going to move from left to right. Alright, excuse the background noise. So you can just copy out the code just in case it's not in the pinned comment. You can pause the video. Okay, so how this code works is that you communicate with the Microchip Studio with the PuTTY terminal, and then on your lab board you push the frequency check button. Since the lab board is custom made, the university and professor doesn't want me to show you that, and that's fair. The code is important anyways. Okay, so this is the code. We're almost there. Excuse the background noise and people cleaning up. Okay, so that's the code. So thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe, share with your friends. They're gonna need it. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.